What if I told you, reality is not something you chase, it's something you command? What if the life you want is already waiting for you to see it the right way? Because the moment you visualize correctly, everything begins to shift. The mind is far more powerful than most people realize, yet it operates in a way that can either build your future or quietly destroy your potential depending on how you use it. One of the deepest truths about the human mind is that it does not clearly distinguish between what is vividly imagined and what is physically experienced. To the subconscious, a strongly visualized scene with emotion can feel just as real as something happening in the external world. This is not philosophy. This is how your internal system is wired, and once you understand it, everything about how you approach your life begins to change. Every time you replay a memory, imagine a future, or even worry about something that hasn't happened yet, your mind is creating internal experiences. Your body responds to these experiences. Your emotions react to them. Your nervous system activates based on what you are seeing internally. If you imagine fear, your body feels stress. If you imagine success, your body begins to feel confidence. This means your internal images are not harmless thoughts. They are active forces shaping your state of being. Now think about what most people do every single day. They visualize failure without realizing it. They imagine worst-case scenarios. They replay past mistakes again and again. They see rejection before it even happens. And because the mind accepts these images as real experiences, it starts building patterns around them. It conditions the body to feel anxious. It trains the brain to expect negative outcomes. And it subtly influences decisions in a way that aligns with those internal pictures. This is why two people with the same opportunities can end up with completely different results. One person is mentally rehearsing success, confidence, and progress, while the other is unconsciously practicing doubt, fear, and limitation. The mind simply follows the strongest and most repeated imagery. It does not judge whether it is good or bad, it just accepts and executes. When you begin to take control of this process, everything starts to shift. Instead of allowing random thoughts to dominate your inner world, you become intentional. You start creating images that serve you instead of images that weaken you. You begin to understand that if your mind believes something deeply enough, your actions will naturally align with that belief. This is where visualization becomes more than imagination. It becomes a form of mental conditioning. Athletes use it to improve performance, leaders use it to strengthen confidence, and high achievers across every field rely on it to prepare themselves before the moment even arrives. They are not waiting for reality to shape them, they are shaping themselves internally so that when reality comes, they are already prepared to meet it. The key is vividness and emotion. A weak image has little impact, but a clear, detailed, emotionally charged image can influence your subconscious in powerful ways. When you see something clearly in your mind and feel it as if it is already happening, you are sending a strong signal to your inner system. That signal begins to rewire how you think, how you react, and how you behave. Over time, this repeated internal experience becomes familiar, and what feels familiar starts to feel natural. And what feels natural starts to become your reality without you forcing it or chasing it. Emotion is the hidden force that determines whether your visualization remains a weak thought or becomes a powerful command to your subconscious. Many people try to imagine success, wealth, confidence, or peace, but nothing changes in their lives, not because visualization does not work, but because they are missing the most important ingredient that gives it life. Without emotion, an image is empty. It has no weight, no impact, no authority over your inner system. It is just a passing thought that fades as quickly as it appears. Your subconscious does not respond to logic the way your conscious mind does. It responds to feeling. It listens to intensity. It reacts to what moves you internally. This is why a single emotional experience can stay with you for years, while hundreds of neutral moments are forgotten. Emotion amplifies memory, deepens belief, and imprints experiences into your inner world with lasting effect. When you visualize something with strong emotion, your body begins to react as if it is already happening. Your heart rate changes, your posture shifts, your breathing adjusts, and your energy transforms. This is not imagination anymore. This is internal activation. You are no longer just thinking about a future. You are experiencing it in the present moment within your mind. And the more real it feels, the more your subconscious accepts it as truth. This is why fear can feel so powerful. When you imagine something negative with strong emotion, your entire system responds instantly. You feel tension, anxiety, and resistance even though nothing has physically happened yet. The same principle applies in the opposite direction. When you learn to generate powerful positive emotion during visualization, you begin to condition your system for confidence, success, and control. Most people struggle here because they try to force images without connecting emotionally. They see the goal, but they do not feel it. They picture the outcome, but it remains distant, almost unreal. The mind senses this lack of conviction and does not fully accept it. As a result, nothing changes at a deeper level. To activate the true power of visualization, you must step into the scene emotionally. You must feel the excitement of achievement, the relief of overcoming challenges, the pride of becoming the person you envisioned. You must allow yourself to experience gratitude as if it has already happened. When you do this, the image becomes alive. It gains strength. It begins to influence your inner programming in a way that simple thinking never could. This emotional intensity acts like a signal that tells your subconscious, this matters, this is real, this is important. And once that signal is strong enough, your mind begins to reorganize your patterns. Your thoughts start aligning with your vision. Your actions begin to reflect your internal state. Even your perception of opportunities begins to change. You start noticing things you would have ignored before. You respond differently to challenges. You carry yourself with a subtle confidence that comes not from external validation, but from internal certainty. All of this begins with emotion, not logic. The more consistently you combine clear imagery with strong feeling, the deeper the impact becomes. Over time, what once felt like imagination starts to feel familiar, and what feels familiar starts to shape your identity from within. There is a structure to how the mind accepts change, and when you understand this structure, you stop relying on hope and start working with precision. The mind does not respond well to scattered thoughts or incomplete ideas. It seeks patterns, sequences, and clarity. When your inner images are random or disconnected, the subconscious becomes uncertain, and uncertainty weakens belief. But when your mental imagery follows a clear and logical flow, something powerful begins to happen. The mind starts to accept the vision as a complete reality rather than a distant possibility. This is where the idea of three connected mental scenes becomes transformative. Instead of imagining your desires in isolation, you guide your mind through a sequence that creates understanding, movement, and certainty. Each scene plays a specific role, and together they form a complete internal experience that your subconscious can recognize and act upon. The first part of this sequence is awareness. You allow yourself to see the current situation or the challenge you are facing without resistance. This is not about focusing on negativity, it is about clarity. When the mind clearly understands where you are, it becomes easier to direct it toward where you want to go. Without this step, your visualization lacks a starting point and the mind struggles to connect with it. Awareness grounds your vision in reality while preparing it for transformation. The second part introduces motion. Here, you are no longer standing still. You are moving through the process of change. You see yourself taking action, making decisions, and stepping forward with confidence. This is critical because the subconscious does not just need an outcome, it needs a path. When you visualize yourself in motion, you remove the gap between your current state and your desired state. The mind begins to believe that progress is already happening, and this belief influences how you act in real life. The third part completes the sequence with certainty. You see the result as already achieved. Not as something far away, not as something you hope for, but as something that is real and present. You experience the outcome fully, with emotion and detail. This final scene gives your mind a destination that feels tangible. It removes doubt because the subconscious now holds a complete story from beginning to end. When these three scenes are connected, they create a powerful alignment within your mind. There is no confusion, no contradiction, no missing piece. Your subconscious receives a clear message about where you are, how you move forward, and what the final reality looks like. This clarity strengthens belief, and belief shapes behavior. Over time, this structured visualization begins to influence your internal programming. Your thoughts start to align with your vision. Your reactions become more controlled. Your confidence grows naturally because your mind has already experienced success internally. You are no longer guessing your way forward, you are following a path that has already been mentally rehearsed. This is why structure matters. Without it, visualization remains a vague idea. With it, visualization becomes a system that guides your mind toward transformation in a focused and powerful way. Consistency is the force that turns a single moment of visualization into a lasting transformation within your subconscious. One powerful mental image can inspire you, it can even shift your mood temporarily, but it is repetition that creates identity. The mind does not change because of what you do once. It changes because of what you do again and again until it becomes familiar, until it becomes automatic, until it becomes part of who you are without effort. Every repeated thought leaves a trace. Every repeated image strengthens a pathway. Your brain is constantly adapting, constantly rewiring itself based on what you expose it to the most. This is the principle behind habit formation, belief systems, and even emotional patterns. When you consistently visualize the same outcome with clarity and feeling, you are not just imagining, you are training your mind to accept that image as reality. Most people underestimate this process because they expect instant results. They visualize something once or twice and then look at their external world for confirmation. When nothing dramatic happens immediately, they assume it does not work. But the real transformation is happening beneath the surface, where your subconscious is slowly being reprogrammed through repetition. Think about how negative beliefs are formed. They do not appear overnight. They are built over time through repeated experiences, repeated thoughts, and repeated emotional reactions. The same process applies when you want to create positive change. You are not fighting your mind, you are retraining it by giving it new patterns to follow. When you repeat a clear and emotionally charged visualization daily, your mind begins to treat it as something familiar. At first, it may feel artificial or forced, but with time, it starts to feel natural. The resistance fades, doubt becomes quieter. The image becomes easier to access, more vivid, more believable. This is the moment when your subconscious starts accepting the new reality as normal. And once something feels normal to your mind, your behavior begins to align with it automatically. You start making decisions that match your internal image without overthinking. You respond to challenges differently. Situations that once triggered fear or hesitation no longer have the same effect because your inner conditioning has changed. Consistency also builds emotional stability. When you repeatedly expose yourself to empowering mental images, your emotional baseline begins to shift. You feel more grounded, more confident, more in control. This is not because your external circumstances have suddenly become perfect, but because your internal state has become stronger and more aligned. Over time, this repeated practice begins to influence how you perceive the world around you. You start noticing opportunities that were always there but went unseen. You interpret situations differently. What once felt like an obstacle may now feel like a stepping stone. This shift in perception is one of the most powerful outcomes of consistent visualization. The key is not intensity alone, but persistence. Even on days when you do not feel motivated, even when your mind resists, continuing the practice strengthens the pattern. Each repetition adds another layer to your belief system, making it more stable and more resilient. Eventually, the line between imagination and reality begins to blur, not because you are confused, but because your internal world has become so aligned that your external actions naturally bring that vision into existence without force or struggle. There is a critical difference between imagining something as a distant possibility and experiencing it as a present reality within your mind. Most people fall into the trap of visualizing their goals as something far away, something they hope will happen someday. They see it like a movie they are watching from the outside, disconnected, observing, almost as if it belongs to someone else. And because of this distance, the subconscious does not fully accept it. It treats it as a fantasy rather than a truth. Your mind responds to what feels real, not to what feels possible. If your visualization carries the energy of one day, or maybe, it weakens the signal you are sending to your subconscious. But when you shift your perspective and begin to experience your vision as if it is happening right now, something powerful changes inside you. The gap between imagination and reality begins to close. To do this, you must move from being an observer to being a participant. Instead of seeing yourself from the outside, you step into your own eyes. You see what you would see if this reality were already yours. You hear the sounds, you feel the environment, you notice the details that make the experience vivid. This level of immersion transforms visualization from a simple thought into a lived internal experience. The present moment is the only language your subconscious truly understands. It does not operate in the past or the future the way your conscious mind does. Everything is interpreted as happening now. This means that when you visualize your success as something that is already real, you are giving your subconscious a clear instruction. You are telling it, this is who I am, this is what I have, this is how I live. Emotion becomes even more powerful at this stage because it anchors the experience. When you feel gratitude as if your goal has already been achieved, your body responds accordingly. When you feel confidence as if you have already succeeded, your posture, your tone, and your energy begin to reflect that state. These internal shifts may seem small, but they create a ripple effect that influences how you show up in the real world. One of the biggest challenges people face is disbelief. When they try to visualize something that feels too far from their current reality, their mind resists. It feels unnatural, forced, almost fake. This is why it is important to build the experience gradually, adding layers of detail and emotion until it starts to feel familiar. Familiarity reduces resistance, and reduced resistance allows acceptance. As this practice deepens, your identity begins to shift. You no longer see yourself as someone chasing a goal, you begin to see yourself as someone who already embodies that reality. This shift in identity is where true transformation happens. Because once your identity changes, your actions naturally follow without needing constant motivation or discipline. You begin to think differently, speak differently, and carry yourself in a way that aligns with your internal vision. People around you may notice it before you do. Opportunities may begin to appear that match your new state, and what once felt out of reach starts to feel inevitable, not because of luck, but because your inner world has already accepted it as truth. There comes a moment when imagination stops being just a mental exercise and begins to merge with belief, and that moment is where real transformation begins to take shape. On their own, thoughts are weak, and imagination without belief is unstable. You can picture something clearly, you can even feel it for a few seconds, but if deep inside there is doubt, hesitation, or contradiction, the signal you send to your subconscious becomes mixed. And when the signal is mixed, the results are inconsistent. Belief is what stabilizes imagination. It is what turns a temporary mental picture into a lasting internal truth. But belief is not something you force through logic or willpower. It is something that develops through repetition, emotional reinforcement, and familiarity. The more often you expose your mind to a clear and vivid vision, the more natural it begins to feel. And what feels natural starts to be accepted as real without resistance. When imagination and belief begin to align, your inner world reaches a state of coherence. There is no longer a gap between what you see and what you accept. You are no longer imagining something you hope will happen, you are experiencing something you expect to happen. This shift from hoping to expecting is subtle, but it changes everything about how you think, feel, and act. Expectation carries a different energy. It influences your decisions in ways you may not even notice at first. You start taking actions with more certainty, not because you are forcing confidence, but because your mind already accepts the outcome as likely. You speak with more clarity, you move with more purpose, and you respond to challenges with a different mindset. Obstacles no longer feel like signs to stop. They feel like part of a process that is already leading somewhere meaningful. This alignment also sharpens your focus. When your mind is clear about what it believes, it begins to filter information differently. You become more aware of opportunities that match your vision. You recognize patterns, connections, and possibilities that once went unnoticed. This is not because the world has suddenly changed, but because your perception has shifted to match your internal state. Another powerful effect of this synchronization is emotional stability. When belief supports your imagination, doubt loses its influence. Fear may still appear, but it no longer controls your actions. You feel a sense of inner certainty that keeps you grounded even in uncertain situations. This stability allows you to stay consistent, to keep moving forward without being easily shaken by temporary setbacks. Over time, this internal alignment begins to influence your external reality in a natural way. Your actions become more effective because they are backed by belief. Your communication becomes more impactful because it carries conviction. Your presence changes in a way that others can sense, even if they cannot explain it. You are no longer trying to convince the world of your potential, you are expressing something that already feels true within you. This is how reality begins to reorganize itself around your inner world. Not through force, not through struggle, but through alignment. When your imagination is clear and your belief is strong, your life starts to reflect that combination in ways that feel almost effortless, as if everything is gradually moving into place to match the vision you have already accepted within yourself.